Hey beauties, it's Riri. Happy freaking new year. Thank you all for joining me. I know this is going to be a little bit of a later post. If anybody plans on going out this evening, be safe, of course. Or if you're having a gathering or a party or whatever, I wanted to just sit down and do a quick, super easy, of course, look for you guys. I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in the shade Vamp, and I'm going to use a smudger brush. This is my very first time, so you guys will see me kind of use this in real time with you guys. I was clueless. Okay, had never used these before, but I've heard that they are spectacular, that they are like ultra pigmented, and yeah, I was absolutely blown away, just spoiler alert, and a little bit scared. I was a little bit frightened, y'all. But I chose this shade specifically for like winter time, and I think based on how much I loved this and how well it lasted the day that I wore this particular look, I would love to get one of these in like a nude or skin tone type shade to use as an eyeshadow base, because this was so, like, it blew my socks off. I will note, you guys are probably already watching, like, a less is more approach should be taken. But I absolutely loved it. Love the shade of it. I love that I could place it down, but then also kind of feather the edges a little bit, like it dries down, and it's bulletproof, but it's very lightweight. You do not feel it on the lids, and I was able to, as you can see, manipulate it and stuff like that. Like, you have a little bit of wiggle room with it and a little bit of playtime with it. But yeah, I was scared, y'all. Look, I was scared. And then I'm going to layer on top of this. The brand is no longer a brand, and the shade is also no longer available. So I'm really, really sorry. But I wanted to pick a shade that had a lot of dimensionality to it, a lot of sparkle and a lot of flip and stuff like that. And it just turned out so, so beautifully. So I'm going to speed this up. I'll put it to some music for you guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. And I want to know, what is your go-to kind of going out look? Do you have a specific look for New Year's? Do you go a little bit more vampy, a little bit more dark, a little bit more smoky? I want to know. Thank you guys so much for joining. Also, thank you guys so much for the love and support through my Vlogmas series and stuff like that. To know that I put so much work and effort into something, and you guys, you know, some of you watched and commented on every single video, but just to know that you guys appreciate it and you guys are here supporting unconditionally, you know, being patient and bearing with me when my son is in town and all these different things. Like, you guys are incredible. So I do just want to say that. I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the love and the support. I hope that this new year and beyond brings you all the joy and the love and the health and the happiness. And just thank you. Thank you, beauty, so, so much. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.